Hi, I'm Mo. In this tutorial I will show you how to set up the prop tracker for the Xsens Link. First, I'm gonna set up the prop cable and prop tracker and then attach it to an object. After that, I will configure the prop in the Xsens software. And finally, I will show how to perform the calibration with the prop. In this tutorial, all the trackers of a full body setup have already been placed as shown in our Prepare Xsens Link hardware tutorial. In this tutorial, the right hand is used for the prop location. However, you can place the prop onto any segment on the body. Please note that the prop tracker is connected to a selected segment. Therefore, interactions such as picking up or hand-to-hand transfer are not supported during capture. Let's start by setting up the prop cable and prop tracker. In this example, the prop cable is routed through the right arm pocket of the E-suit. Make sure the connector ends in the back compartment. Look for the connector string labeled spine. It splits into the spine and the extension cable. The prop tracker will be connected to the extension connector. Make sure to align the red dots on the connector parts. Then, press them together. You can then zip down the back compartment. Now, place the prop tracker in the connector. Next, let's attach the prop tracker to an object. Attach the prop tracker firmly to a rigid part of the object to track, for example using a strap. Here are examples of prop tracker placement for a sword, gun, and racket. Make sure that after attaching the prop tracker, that the cable has enough slack for the object to move around. Next, let's configure the prop in the Xsens software. In the Motion Capture configuration window, go to the subject and click on the Prop tab. Here, you can enable one or more props. For the enabled prop, you can set a type. In this example, we'll choose sword. Then, you can set the segment to attach the prop to. And finally, the rotational point on the segment. All spheres on the avatar should now be green. Then, click OK. Now, let's perform the calibration. Select the subject and click Calibrate. In the calibration window, select the end pose. Set the desired delay and click Calibrate. First, have the user go to a starting location. Make sure the user is on a flat surface and that there is space to walk around. Use the same routine as in the standard end pose calibration. First, have the subject stand in end pose. Feet parallel, 1 foot width apart. Stand up straight. The handle of the prop should be horizontal facing towards the front. Here are some examples. Hold the pose for 3 seconds. Walk at a moderate pace within the wireless range for 15 seconds. Walk smoothly on a flat surface with the prop as you would normally during a walk. After the walk, you can relax. The Xsens software will now process the calibration. When processing is finished, get ready to go back to the end pose. After 3 seconds, the end pose is applied. Make sure to perform a few steps to warm up the filters. You are now ready to start your motion capture session with a prop. For more tutorials, visit the tutorial page on movella.com/tutorials. Or have a look at our extensive knowledge base on base.movella.com. Thank you for watching.